Hi everyone! In this video, we will discuss mutability versus immutability in Python. Some data types are classified as mutable. They can be modified in place, while others are classified as immutable. They cannot be modified in place. So these are mutable and immutable data types in Python. As you can see, for mutable data types, there are lists, sets, dictionary, byte array, and array. For immutable data types, there are integers, floating point numbers, Boolean, strings, tuples, frozen set, and bytes. So those are immutable because they cannot be modified in place. So here's an example of an immutable data type. So let's say we have a string that stores the value hello world, and we want to make the string into hello world with a lowercase w. So what we do is we create a new string and then we use indexing to make the string we want. So what we did here was s and then brackets colon 6 plus w plus s brackets 7 colon. So what this is saying is from the 0th index all the way until the 6th, not including the 6th, we want to keep that the same. And then we want to add this lowercase w to replace this uppercase w, and then s bracket 7 colon till the end. That's just including this last part here. Thank you for watching this video, and I hoped it helped you out.